I mean, one thing for sure, I would never allow myself or my boyfriend and friend to hug each other the way Didi and Bravo did it. That's, I don't know, level 8 of being comfortable around each other, which begs the question, what will happen if I'm not around them? Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. The Mean Girls are starting to show some cracks, and this is the fan speculations are not fact. Neither of the group has confirmed that they are not comfortable with the actions that are done by one of the members of the group. Today, I'm going to talk about these two ladies, Didi and Neliswa, and how they act around each and every one of them. I'll start with Didi, guys. Didn't is comfortable hugging Trixie's boyfriend that way. And not forgetting that Didn't was on kissing crew in the Big Brother house. I'm not judging because you are lonely there, so kissing is nothing. And going deeper into the beds and whatnot. But my problem here is that kissing outside where people cannot see you, there are no cameras, it can lead to other situations that would become uncomfortable for both of them. Maybe Trixie is secure. She's a grown woman, like 35, 36. She understands what she wants and she knows what she wants and she's safe in herself. But Didi is still young, hot, and smart, by the way. And the truth is, men love them young. Maybe Bravo has his type is Trixie, older women, matured and understanding what they want. Unlike with Didi, who one day say I want this, the following day they'll say I want that. The problem here is that Didi is in each and every group on Facebook and liking those posts that are dragging other housemates. And this includes Mean Girls. I mean, for that, I believe that as a fan of Big Brother, maybe she joined when she was still a fan, not in the house. But some groups were created this year. But maybe she wants to understand what the fans want from her, or maybe she just loves the drama and loves to laugh. Like Big Brother groups on Facebook, they're the best. But also on Twitter, she was once caught not liking, actually commenting or retweeting the post that said that she could be a club host, and people they say she was shading Nelisa. And this is where Nelisa comes in, guys. Yesterday there's a video, this is the video. So Nelisa is saying, why are you wearing my shoes? Where did you get those shoes from? Now, if I'm your friend and you're wearing my shoes, I'm not going to shame you in public. I'm not going to tell it to the public that you're wearing my shoes. In essence, Nelisa was confirming the fact that she is the blesser and the money, the bank account of the Mean Girls group. People are saying that she's the one who's paying Didint's rent, she's the one who's paying the Don's rent, and the trip to Paris, it will be paid by her. And she's just confirming it by not saying that much. My thing is that why are you doing it like that and then you post it on social media? You are telling us that whatever that Didintle is wearing was gonna start to check if you have worn it before, if who did it better. You are creating a conflict that is so unnecessary. And this is where I feel like there are cracks that are coming into this Mean Girls group. And the Beyonce of the group, which is Liema, said these people are just the way they are. You need to calm down, guys. It's nothing. To me, no. We don't need to calm down when we see that the cracks are starting to crack. And things they start like so little and little. One thing about famous people or people that we know who are in the public eye, they feel like us, the fans or the followers, who are not having a human experience. And in a human experience, a normal human being is selfish. Selfish meaning that you take care of yourself first before you can take care of others. And if you don't take care of yourself first and you take care of others, what will happen is that you will one day have an outburst. The reason why we see on social media people crying, doing whatnot about friendship and whatnot is because they put the friendship or the face of the friendship first, the facade. They have this thing of, I'm a girl's girl, knowing very well that you're not a girl's girl, so you just need your boyfriend, you need Indodayako all the time. So for me, I feel like at this point, Didi Ntle is not even the worst. or she's not maybe aware of the things that are happening. It's just fun and they're having fun. But deep down, Didn't is saying that I'm this higher and you are below in a way. And Nelisa is also saying the same. I feel for Trixie and Liema, it's just like we are cool. I've not seen anything that I'm gonna say, but for those two, now I believe that there is indeed a tension. But with Didn't and Trixie, my girl, catch your man. I'm just saying, it's this world is a world where a dog is a dog. So don't ever let your guard down. I'm telling you. But guys, I want to know your opinion. Do you think that Didinte is playing the game, or this is a serious tension behind the scene that we don't understand or we don't see, or they're just having fun? You know, she can either be playing the game of keep people talking, or there is a tension behind the scene that we don't see, or they're just having fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.